Here's 5 reasons why your listing isn't performing very well. You're struggling for bookings, and here's how to fix it. I've been there. Empty calendar, bad guests, and the feeling that maybe you've made a mistake. But here's the truth. Most struggling hosts are only a small or a few tweaks away from turning it all around. In this video, I'm gonna break it down into 5 simple steps of how to follow and what to change. Things you can change today. Reason 1, pricing like a hotel. Hotels can get away with flat pricing. We can't. Most beginners set one nightly rate and leave it for months. And that's killing your occupancy. What to change? The simplest fact is to use dynamic pricing, like Beyond Pricing, Price Labs, or Wheelhouse. These dynamic softwares will raise your prices in peak seasons, high population demand areas and times, and then reduce your pricing accordingly when demand isn't so high. So you can compete with all of your other competitors and the hotels. Reason 2, wrong guests. If you're attracting the wrong guests, last minute parties, serial complainers, you're gonna have more headache than profit. Switch to a focus on mid to long-term stay, targeting contractors, relocation and corporate guests, changing your listing descriptions accordingly to attract those guests and to incorporate ideal for long stays or working guests, and offer discounts for 28 nights or more. You'll reduce turnover, in turn reducing operating costs and become a lot more profitable, in turn reducing damage and your own stress level. Reason 3, poor photos. Photos are your online shop window. If they're dark, cluttered, or taken on your phone, you'll lose bookings. How to fix? Hire a professional photographer. It's the highest ROI spend that you'll make. If you can't afford a professional photographer, use your phone in high daylight hours. Remove all clutter from the house or the apartment. Think magazine shoot, not estate agent. Reason 4, no systems. If you're relying on replying to every guest manually, chasing cleaners, and adjusting prices all by yourself, you're gonna burn out very quickly before making any money. The quickest way to success is systemizing your business. After all, your hospitality. So manual calling, messaging, and organizing cleaners out the window. Automate guest communication, pricing, and tasks for cleaners as soon as possible. Track your income revenue with your channel manager or on a Google Sheet to monitor revenue income on a monthly, weekly, and yearly basis, to understand peaks and troughs of your seasonality if you have some, but also understand your guest behaviors so you can accommodate them better. And finally, hire or consider hiring a VA, co-host, or somebody that can support you in the day-to-day working tasks, helping you to start working in your business and work on your business. And finally, reason 5, you gave up too soon. I've seen people quit after 2 months because they've had a slow start, but Airbnb is like any other business. It takes time, effort, and a little bit of consistency. You need marketing, reviews, and optimization of your listing to start hitting your stride. Set yourself a 6-month commitment. In that time, you can focus on improving your listing every week, better photo, better pricing, and more reviews. Faster response times to your guests and clients. Momentum compounds after time. If your Airbnb isn't working, it's not because Airbnb is dead. It's because you haven't set it up for success yet. Fix your pricing, attract the right guests, upgrade your photos, and build in the systems that you need to. And most importantly, you have to stick with it. If you found any of this video useful, subscribe for more real-world, actionable, task-driven fixes for your Airbnb. Tips, no fluff, no guru nonsense. Drop the word fix in the comments and I'll send you a free Airbnb optimization toolkit. And if you're ready to get started to take Airbnb seriously, you're in the right place. Feel free to watch all the video content previous, and if you're ready to start the right way, watch the next video, Rent to Rent in 2025, how I did it step by step. And that's where the real magic happens.